Breaking news, we are here at the Palm Beach International Boat Show on board the world debut of the V-29 Valhalla, here with Sean Healey. Tell us a little bit about this brand new model.
Very proud of the boat that we're debuting today here at the show. Going to see the versatility at 29 feet. At 180 gallons of fuel, plenty of fuel to get you across over the Bahamas, chase those pelagics, but then also allows you to have the ability and the power poles as well with our troll motor to attack those inshore fisheries. From our Viking and Valhalla DNA, our 21 is a now hit within this sector.
And that's something that you won't miss when you're here on board. You will see the detail that goes into it. So you guys have to come check it out for yourself. Let's go.